Hey y'all, I'm back doing laundry. I decided why not come on and do a video with y'all. I'm doing laundry. I was sitting up looking at YouTube while I was folding the laundry. I done folded everything already. I was looking at YouTube videos, so I was like, it wasn't no other video I want. I'm struggling. It wasn't no other video I wanted to see. So I was like, let me get on here and talk with them while I put my laundry up, put the stuff on hangers. Most of my husband laundry, y'all better believe that. But yeah. So I was like, let me get on here. So now I'm on here. I'm like, child, what we finna talk about? So I thought about it. I'm like, let's talk about my birthday. So my birthday is coming up June 15th. And if I'm gonna do something big this year, besides being at home and having a party or something like that, then it's time to start planning it, you know. So I'm kind of torn in between the two, cause this will be the first year I think that I ever really did something big for myself. First time ever. Besides a party. I got to do something. Because I'll be 39 this year. And this the last of the Mohican here. This the last. So, I think that besides doing a party or going out to eat, what am I doing? Or going out to eat or something like that, I should do something big for myself. Cause I always try to do stuff for other people, and I need to do something for myself. I need to do that. So my sister, she asked me, did I want to go on a cruise? Cause they was already going on the cruise, so then she was just telling me about it for me to join them. So I kind of backed out of that because of the fact that I didn't think that Babe would take his vacation around that time, you know, and I didn't want him to just be out of work, you know, all the days just for my birthday or whatever. So that's gonna probably be birthday and anniversary gift to the both of us. My birthday first, and then our anniversary. But our anniversary coming for my birthday. But still, this for me. Both of them for me. But it's got to be for him too. So it's for our anniversary too. Okay. So you gotta do two in one. We ain't got it like that. I'm just saying. You know, you gotta make it make sense. Can't be over here trying to break yourself because you still got to live, okay? Point blank, period. But anyway, so I was thinking that I want to go on a cruise. My sister asked me, it was in the back of my mind, but I don't know, go on a cruise, or I wanted to go to a big event, right? I wanted to go to a big event, and I was kind of leaning towards the big event. So then I thought about it. I was like, well, if I do the big event, then it's about the same price as, you know, going on a cruise. So then it started making me think again, like, okay, do I want to go on this cruise and just do this? Because also in a sense, like going on a cruise, child. Not the money part, but you know, So I'm like, I should just go. I should just go on the cruise since it'll be about the same difference. So then, but if we do the big event, all of us was gonna be together. Me, my mama, my mother-in-law, my sister, and my husband, and I'm sure my sister friend. So now I'm like, okay, do I want to go on this cruise or do I want to go to the event? Because if we go to the event, everybody can go. Everybody gonna be there. But at the end of the day, everybody's still gonna be there for the event. Everybody's still gonna be there for the event. It'll just me missing out on that opportunity to go on the cruise. So it's like, which one do I choose? And that made me think, okay, which one do I choose? I do want to go on a cruise. I do. But this big event, I really want to do too. And it comes down to which one do you want to do the most? Because I'm trying to focus on doing what I want to do and not for everybody else. But the one that I really want to do the most is the big event, I think. But then, I might do need to do the cruise. I don't know. I'm thinking. Because during the big event, I'm gonna be wanting to do it because everybody gonna be together. We're gonna have a good time. That's only just for a day. Then after that, we're just gonna, be just chilling, doing whatever. So now I think about it. If I go on a cruise and it's my anniversary, then it'll be for me and Bae. It'll be just about me and him in a sense. Because, I know me and my sister, we'll be together and stuff like that. But on that cruise, it's a lot. I think it'll be a lot more things for us to do together, as far as the dinner go and how they got the ball and stuff like that. I ain't never been on a cruise, but I'm just naming a couple things that, and then like they got, I guess they have like casino and stuff like that if he wanted to do that, like, and in the clubs and stuff like that. I think that will probably be more fun. That way we can enjoy each other because he ain't gonna know nobody there. I ain't gonna know nobody there but my sister and her friend or whatever. And it'll just be me and him. So I think I should do the cruise. I think I should do the cruise. And make this about me and my husband. I think we should do the cruise. And then next year we could do the big event. If it's the Lord's will. But next year, if it's the Lord's will, I want to go to the big event. I'm going to speak that into existence because God hear me. Okay? But if it's will for me to go on this cruise, I want him to just bless it. Where it just be perfect. Yeah. I think maybe a cruise. I think I answered my own question by just talking and thinking it out loud, Cause family mean a lot to me, and we gonna be around each other for however long to make our memories as family. But as my husband, I gotta enjoy my husband as much as I can. Gotta enjoy my husband. And I like little peaceful stuff too. That's why both of them, they gon' the big event gonna be cool and laid back, and the cruise is still down my alley because it's gonna be something peaceful. You know what I'm saying? I guess in a way. Just depends on how peaceful you can make it. You know what I'm saying? But with my husband, child, I'm gonna have to keep up with him. So if I could and we go on a cruise, I'm going to record for us so y'all can see. Yeah, and I hope I can deal with emotion and stuff though. And I know y'all will say get the Dramamine. I heard it, and also heard some people say it don't work, but I'm gonna get some anyway. Some Dramamine. So to make sure, I gotta see if they even have any more spots left, because they had the expensive spots when I was looking, like the 10th floor and stuff like that. So I don't want no bottom of the boat spot, because if I have to get a bottom of the boat spot, I don't want it. And it's probably, that boat probably filled up, because it was about filled up when I was looking one time, and Bay had asked me what I was gonna do, and he told me he'll take vacation for my birthday this time, because normally we always take vacation around his birthday. So he was like, we could take vacation for your birthday this time. So what y'all think? I got a bunch of older women in here, a bunch of women that done been married, and I know it's some kind of advice you can give me. Okay? Some kind of advice you can give me on this right here. I like to talk to my older women. You know, y'all make sense. So y'all be a little hard sometimes, but you know, you got to learn from the wise, so that you can be wise and be wise enough to teach somebody else. So I listen, and I love to talk to my old people. The ones that got some sense, they still. But yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Because I was thinking about that trip too. Like, it may end up not happening in a way. I was thinking about that on the counts of one thing. So I don't know. So I'm like, I think I should just do the cruise, and then ain't got to worry about nobody but me and my husband. Yeah. But trust me, if it wasn't for nothing else, oh definitely, we was going to the event. We was going to that event, and he was gonna be with me anyway. But this right here got to be more personal. Oh yes, cause this will be a first big trip for me. The first time he ever took a vacation for my birthday. The first time, both of us went on a cruise, and this is our 10-year anniversary. I think we gotta go on a cruise. I think, yeah, because at the event, me and him wouldn't be celebrated right. You know, we wouldn't be celebrating right. And we need to celebrate you know, amongst one another, you know, in the presence of each other, you know, vibing off each other, feeling each other, enjoying one another without everybody else around. Thank you, God, for that. Yeah. I don't even think I need y'all to tell me. I think God just gave it to me. Yeah. Me and my husband gotta make memories of this 10 years. Because we gotta try to do another 10. And I wanna see if my husband can carry me over these next 10 the same way he been doing. These 10. Cause we ain't got the most, but my husband do a good job. And I must say I do a good job myself, but this one here is gonna be another journey. This one here gonna be another journey, and we gotta start it off right. We're gonna have to start it off right. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Yeah. I got me over here thinking, child. Yeah, that's gonna be perfect. So I gotta look into that and see what they got left and how much it is and stuff like that. And I think that's what we're gonna do. And I done spoke it, and I asked God just lead me in the right direction, you know. And if it's meant, let it happen. And I already know if it happens, God did it. God did it, and guess what? When God be done did it, can't nothing go wrong. And we're gonna be all right. Because I just asked God, don't put a stamp on that. I ask these things in your son Jesus Christ's name, I pray, amen. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so I done got all the clothes separated. I got his folded up. This his stuff left. This my little stuff to hang up. And I'm finna go take me a shower and get ready for bed. I'll holler at y'all. Toodles. Don't forget to hit the like button too.